Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in the Viber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the More option. This will take you to a menu where you can access additional features and settings within Viber. It's essentially your hub for all the extra tools the app offers beyond your main chat interface. Once you're in the More section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a QR code icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. This icon is specifically designed to activate Viber's built-in QR code scanner, which allows you to quickly connect with other users or access special Viber features without typing anything manually. After tapping the QR code icon, your camera will automatically open. At this point, you're ready to scan. Simply position the QR code you want to scan within your camera's viewfinder. Make sure the code is centered and clearly visible on your screen. The app will automatically detect and process the QR code once it's properly aligned, so you don't need to tap any additional buttons or take a photo. Just hold your phone steady for a moment while the camera reads the code. Now, if you need to switch between your front and rear cameras for any reason, you have that option available. Look for the switch camera icon on your screen and tap it. This is particularly useful if the QR code is on your own device and you need to use your front-facing camera, or if you're having trouble positioning your phone and want to try a different angle with the other camera. The flexibility to switch cameras makes the scanning process much more convenient in various situations. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code in Viber, making it easy to connect with contacts or access special features instantly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.